Okay, so today I received this charger from a guy nearby, and this charger has some problem with charging batteries up. So the main problem was that the there were some diodes which were actually making this AC current, which gets put out from here, these two wires, and then again it goes to this uh, diode bridge. Right now, since they got burned out during some short circuit or something, right now I do not have the replacement, but I'll try to show you an example. Like this is an example of diode bridge. Okay, so it's got four legs, as we can see. The 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 middle two legs are for AC. So basically the idea is that these two wires are gonna be attached this way, like so, this way, and this end we will get DC current. So normally, this is how diode bridge works. This transformer, this beefy big transformer, puts out AC current, AC voltage rather, and this diode bridge makes it DC, because batteries are DC and batteries are needed to be charged with DC current. So yeah, this is how we make this AC current to the DC current. So basically, what is happening? Uh, like I said a few minutes ago, that there were three diode bridges like this. There were three of them. One here, two, and here three. So they got burned out. As you can see, you can also see the burned out carbon on this cardboard piece. Rather, it's not a cardboard piece, rather it's a fiberglass piece. If it was a cardboard, it would have already burned out pretty fast, but again, it's not like a cardboard. So yeah, coming back to the main point, so this is where DC is made, and this is where the output leads are connected. So this red color is for positive, like DC has two polarity, positive and negative. This is gonna connect to the battery's positive terminal, and this one is gonna connect to the negative terminal, like this one. This uh, what you call that, black one. And right now I do not have the replacement, so I couldn't make it work. I will get the replacement in a few hours or something. The stores are not open yet, so that's what I'm waiting for. And that is the main problem. So basically, to sum all what I've said up, so this is a transformer. This takes AC input, this is the cable. This cable which you plug in onto your wall socket, and this is where AC cable, AC current comes in, and this goes this way. And as you can see, there are two wires. One of them is here, and the other one is going through fuse, just to protect this line from any short circuit or anything. uh, AC line short circuit, of course. Yeah, so this one is going to this. There should be a, yes. This is a rotary switch which actually rotates, and uh, you know, um, which it's a difficult to is something which is difficult to discuss about, but we will keep this very simple. So this actually allows this transformers uh, winding to be selected. Like this transformers got um, more than one, what you call that, windings in it. So this is where all the cables connects in, and this rotary switch allows you to move back and forth to set the right voltage up. Yeah, so again, it's kind of complex, like why this transformer got multiple windings. So we will leave that part for next videos. Uh, yeah, so that's what basically is, and these three wires for just indication, and this connects to this board. Basically, I cut them off just so that I could repair this unit, and yeah, and these are the cables. These are the main output cables. Where the very first time when I saw this charger, I thought that this was made out of what you call that, good quality metal, like uh, you know copper or something like that, but sadly it's only made out of aluminium, and aluminium is very not so very efficient in terms of passing current, like high current.